Father Michael Fish is a monk of New Camaldoli, residing at the Hermitage of St. Romuald in Santa Cruz, California. Over the past decade, he has walked the Camino de Santiago across Spain 4 times. The Camino actually comprises many different routes, some well-traveled and others, like Levante, far off the beaten path, but all leading to the same destination, Santiago de Compostela. This ancient pilgrimage has long been considered a metaphor for the Camino of life. In this series, we will take up our walking sticks and journey with Michael, following this rugged road and exploring the many facets that can help us make sense of life when we look deeply into our own hearts.
So, thank you for joining me on this journey. Welcome to Levante and Bon Camino. It rained on and off for the whole 6 hours, so it was putting rain gear on, taking it off, putting it on, taking it off. And the only disadvantage of the day was that it was also high humidity. And even though it was an easy walk, fairly flat and cool, it seemed to take forever. I gave up looking at the signs. For me, the interesting thing, the mountain was always there, but it was hidden by the fog. And it was me stopping that gave the fog the moment to begin to thin out, to lift, so I could see the mystery that it was hiding. Practice for the end of our life. First question, did I love? Did I love today? Did I love in my life? It's never too late. Even if there's a lot of bitterness up to now in your life, you can let this go and you can begin now to love. First of all yourself, then nature and creation, and then people around you. Did I love?